Ladies and gentlemen, I've got something truly incredible to show you. This property was originally constructed in the 1800s and is steeped in history. We've got a 3-bedroom stunner that's been exquisitely maintained by the current sellers. I cannot wait to show you what this property has on offer, but the real question is it the mall or is it the mall? None of that's relevant. Why don't we just come have a look inside? And there's no better place to start in this stunning home than in this beautiful bespoke kitchen. This property is perfect for entertaining, but some of the key characteristic features that I really love are the high ceilings, the Georgian sash windows, and how meticulously thought out this property's been designed. I'm now going to show you the rear garden. Just imagine, after a long, hard day at work, coming home to this stunning property, and I can't think of no better way to spend my evening than in this low maintenance rear garden where you can forget all your stresses of the day. Wow, truly incredible. We're in the heart of Hornchurch, the St Leonard's Hamlet development, and as you can probably agree, this place is exceptional. It's not going to stay around for long, and I can't wait to show you around. My name's Billy Gill, we are Balgors, and I'll see you here very soon.